In this video, we enter the installation instructions for the Skywalker X8 Pro. The X8 Pro features a large wingspan flying wing design with a rear V-tail, enhancing stability during high-speed cruising. The wings are pre-designed for VTOL installation, and the spacious fuselage allows for easy equipment installation. Step 1. Glue the wing ribs. Wipe off excess glue. Glue the ESC mount compartment. Glue the wooden pieces inside the fuselage. Glue the launch hook mounting plate. Glue the launch hook mounting plate. Install the catapult hook. Glue the battery mounting plate. Glue the tail fin mount. Glue the carbon tube. Glue the upper and lower fuselage. Glue the canopy mounting plate. Glue the canopy latch. Glue the nose plastic parts. Glue the fuselage bottom plastic parts. Install the pre-soldered connector wires. Glue the tail plastic parts.
You'll never be my hometown girl. There's nothing like her in this world.
Install the motor, apply thread locker.
Ain't nothing like my hometown girl. You told me you were cool with kicking it. At my crib, in my pool, we'd be dipping it. But some days you would look at me so different. Oh, why? Is it because I'm in the music biz?
So you don't wanna love me when I'm just struggling, but you still tell me that you're my hometown chick. Why?
I'm missing someone else. This'll never be the same. But I blame
Prepare 4 self-tapping screws M416.
Cause I can't make you change. You'll never be my hometown.
And solder the power connector.
There's nothing like her in this world. I'm tired of the get around girl.
Test the motor rotation direction.
Like my hometown girl.
好，测试群像。
When we last expressed
Install the ESC.
that we possess, even though we're making love, it's not passionate. Why? You keep on running back into the past, trying to hold on to my love, but you can't make it last forever. So I must confess,
I'm missing someone else.
Install the motor mount.
This'll never be the same.
Double check the motor rotation direction.
Blame it on myself. Cause I can't make you change.
Glue the motor mount.
You'll never be my hometown girl. There's nothing like her in this world. I'm tired of the
Secure the tail fin.
Ain't nothing like my hometown girl.
Install the propeller. Glue the wing foam parts. Glue the wing carbon tube. Glue the wing quick release mechanism. Glue the wing leading edge plastic parts. Glue the control surface plastic just to the control surfaces. Glue the control surface reinforcement carbon strips. Glue the control horn mount. Glue the servo compartment. Glue the plastic parts. Install the servo. Set the servo to neutral position. Secure the servo. Install the controlling cage. Keep the control surface at neutral position. Secure the controlling cage. Test the control surface movement range. Secure the servo wiring harness. Secure the servo cover plate. Glue the wooden pieces. Secure the plastic cover. The right wing follows the same steps as the left wing.